Hi guys, good morning guys. So very happy today because actually I have come my on duty today. So because actually I am not able to I have no more the time for the speak English, but actually I have come here in my duty. So actually whenever I get up early in the morning today, so because actually I was late and today because I was not making the video on YouTube channel because actually this is my actually I'm here so I'm practicing English and then I'm observing and vocabularies and grammar as well to that. So I have determined because I will speak always and anyone that because actually English languages is very important for you guys and you can learn and able. So because actually already I have determined because and this is my dedication so because I will speak and there so lots of actually I my mom called me in the morning today so because actually she told me because actually there is my hometown so actually my harvesting the crops in paddy is the ready they are the cutting their paddy seasons because there is a lot cold weather there's the people's a lots people's is doing in something because actually I want to go to there because actually I don't have more time because actually I have to go to attend the wedding for tomorrow 18 November because actually that was the very importance to go to the place actually doesn't matters you don't know speak English but you should practice and every day because this is my I am native speaker in English, but actually I'm trying. So because actually I am standing behind under in the building, and because actually I am practicing English as well, so observing and cultivated. Actually, my mom told me the cultivated than theirs. Actually, there is a lots problems actually see we don't have more time for the practicing because actually so I'm so very glad happy today because actually I am learning English and as well the completing as well the 1 month 2 months overall so because actually I have promised myself because actually I will speak English and improving and these days because right now so starting guys winter season is started and the people is very cool and now actually you can see the behind a lots in the speaking and very well because actually I'm not just